The Joint Action Committee is a non-political and secular platform. It was constituted in the year 2011, where it's a constitutional body of various civil society and student organizations. And the Joint Action Committee and civil society vehemently opposed the demand raised by the Janajati Suraksha Monch during recent press briefing conducted on 19th of November 2023 and 10th of December 2023, pertaining to the following points. The number point 1 is delisting the converted person from ST listed through the constitutional amendment of Article 342 of the Indian Constitution. And second one, organizing delisting rally on 25th of December 2023 at Astable Ground, Agartala. And point number 3, enjoying dual facilities by ST Christian as a religious minority community and scheduled tribe. And fourth, demolishing traditional indigenous culture by ST Christian. The Tripura indigenous people, by faith in Hindu, Christian and animism, are peacefully living together since time immemorial without any clash among them in the religious issue. But this is the first time in our state that has raised by any organizations such sensitive religious issues to delisting the indigenous ST Christian from scheduled tribe list. This is nothing but one kind of serious propaganda to divide the indigenous people of Tripura through religion. And you all know India is a secular and democratic country, and any citizen have their own right and liberty to choose their belief and faith. And a person does not even cease to be a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe automatically, even on his conversion to any religion. So you are all know in the as per criteria of scheduled tribe in Article 342, you have seen that the terms of scheduled tribes, it should have the historical background and backwardness, primitiveness, geographical isolation, shyness, and social, educational, economical backwardness. Due to these reasons are the trade and distinguished scheduled tribes communities of our
by one organization which is called as Janajati Suraksha Monch Tripura. They have held a press meet and stated that the ST facilities of the Christian indigenous people should be delisted from the ST list, which is totally undemocratic. It is not democratic since India is a democratic country. India's structure, the constitutional structure of India itself says that secularism there exists secularism. So it is against the national integrity of the country, which is very much condemnable. And they make a false accusation that the indigenous people who are Christians are not following the custom, and that is totally false. We are the citizens of Tripura. The people not to fall prey under them, since we know it is a false accusation. And our ST category is not given on the basis of any religion, since the indigenous people, when we look into the Constitution of India, how we were provided, the backwardness and the lacking in education, these are the criteria social economically which are underdeveloped by the indigenous people. These are the criteria of setting up the ST.